Oh, small. Oh, man. Hey, everyone. I'm back yet again at my favorite place. I worked all day and could not get the frog bite off my mind. So I have a couple hours. I went out to feed the cats for Dad, and as soon as I got out of the truck, frog jumped. Took it as a sign, caught 10, and now I'm taking them out, and we're gonna take the boat out there and go and see what we can catch with them. So stick with me and we'll see what we get done. And we are on the rib. I believe they say she's going up a little bit more and about crested now, so hopefully things are still biting on some froggies, because I got plenty. Well, spot number one brings me to being lazy, because it goes against everything I've been fishing. There's not a creek mouth, and we are not fishing on the breakup spot of the current. We're actually fishing in the fast current. And I'm doing this because I'm lazy and I've worked all day and I'm tired and I want a shade. So I'm gonna go to the normal setup, which is channel coming right into brush pile. So stay with me and we shall see. I'm gonna get 3 frogs set up out there. All right, just like that. So simple. Frog out current under the tree, frog by the roots, and one right along the side edge, the slower water there. Give it like 5 minutes. And we're at spot 2 now, so we'll see what can happen. I'm on the calmer side of the channel. It goes down the middle to the corner over there, and this kind of calms down here along the bank. So find out what lives underneath this tree jam. We got us a tree rumbling under us. Called a fish call. Calling all catfish. It is time to eat. We're on spot number 2. Right off the bat, we got us a nice kitty cat. Let this flip. Yeah. Oh, he just threw my frog over there and it goes into the water. He just fed his friend. You just fed your friend. Ready to go, kitty kitty. It's a good way to start us off. Told you that tree underneath us was a fish call. Like it was seconds, 20 seconds after that tree rumbled the bottom of the boat. 2 pounds maybe, 1.75 pounds. Good start. Hopefully we can get bigger and more. And they bite like that. I like that bite. Bent over. No clue it was coming. Get back out there. Snagged on a tree on this one. Which pole got stuck on my line on that pole, but I am getting a bite on it. Oh, he just came off. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. It was just... This spot is just getting me. Oh my God. Just like that. It's an episode about how to miss fish. Lose them after you hook them. Isn't that awesome? Bloop. Chance of redemption. Yahtzee. Yahtzee. There's a man. Oh, and he just got off and made a mess. Every pole. He's got my green line, he's got my orange line. Should say she, and she's gone. She's like, enjoy this, dude. It's gonna be one of those type of days. That's 3 in a row that I've got the hook set on and lost. Bloop. The good news is, it wasn't very big. The bad news is, I had a mess to probably clean up. Oh man, come on. Don't spin around that. Alright. Oh, that's a big old tree. Don't want to get in that. Alright. Put that inside, I guess. All these lines want to end up tangled. I'm trying to separate them a little bit, but I'm definitely liking the spot. I've had 2 bites, hooked 2 fish, and lost them both. So we're gonna keep this spot going for a little bit longer and see if the bites continue. But hopefully I can catch the fish. That'll be the next thing. Actually getting one in the boat. What the frick? That one pulled through the line. Through my pole holder. What a day of freaking mishaps. Looks like somebody watches my YouTube videos. He's running the banks trying to find some frogs. Oh my goodness. I just looked up and that pole was just gone. I am so sorry I did not record that takedown. That was an unbelievable takedown. I thought a log. I thought I got in a log. This is a heavy. I'm trying to get the net over here. Oh, it's just staying out. Oh, smell. Oh, man. She is mad. This net is gonna get me one of these days. Come on, girl, just lift up. Show me. Show the world yourself. Oh my. Girl, it's a boy. And we got him in the net. And we got him in the net. Oh my goodness gracious, I was playing my stupid phone, Monopoly Go, and looked up. I looked up in this outside one, which was a frog, underneath that tree just went completely bent over. I thought it was a tree, so I pushed record and set the hook. And luckily for me, oh, and look at that, she just fell off the hook in the net. Make sure it is a girl. Whew, jeez, that's a pretty girl. Oh my gosh, that's a trophy catfish right there. Look at that fish, everyone. Look at that fish. I can't put my hands. Oh, I hope that's seeing her. She is. Oh, she's 32 inches. I'm gonna get a weight on her. Whew, this is so much fun. A frog bite is so insane. Oh, hi scale. We do have another one. Look how little her. She's got such a big body, little head. Sorry, the video is horrible when I have one like this. Calm down, girl. Calm down. Gosh, you got such a big head. Nope. Her mouth is bleeding. This silly scale. We gotta do something different with this scale. Alright, zeroed out. Zeroed out, she is 12, and she wants to be 13. 12. We're gonna just call her 13 pounds. That is an insane fish. That is an insane fish. Oh my gosh. That is an insane fish. Oh my gosh. 32 inches. She got my bait last time and she is so pretty. And away she goes. Man, that was so awesome. That was so awesome. 32 inches. Almost 13 pounds. That would probably almost seal the deal on the Marengo Tournament big fish. So much fun. Well, everybody, that sure was fun. Don't get to catch 13-pound channel cats on this river very often, and I looked it up, and 30-inch is channel cat for master anglers. That means last 2 times out I've been out, I've hit master anglers, so not bad. I'm gonna head up, probably hit one more spot, and then call it a night. Come on and stay with me. We have arrived. We should be loading the boat. We should be loading the boat right now, but instead, I'm going to fish one more spot. I have 3 poles that have frogs on them, just waiting to get in the water. So, 10 more minutes. 10 more minutes. Alright everybody, we've had a few hours to fish now, so we're gonna call it an evening. Gotta go back to the grind and work tomorrow, so it's not every day you get to catch a master angler catfish on the river here, so that's 2 trips in a row. So I'm starting to believe in August there might not be a better bait for channel cats than leopard frogs. So if you know where there's some leopard frogs, go out and get them and try them. get outdoors, catch her some fish, and like and subscribe like always. Till next time, thanks for watching.